Hello guys, welcome back. What if some of the world's most advanced military system detected objects they still can't fully explain? Recently, newly released UFO and UAP files from the United States government started trending online again, sparking debates across the social media, news platform, and mastery community worldwide. But what exactly was revealed, and why are the people taking these reports so seriously? And according to released information, several unusual objects were reportedly observed in sky over different periods of the times. Witnesses described glowing lights, fast-moving objects, and strange aerial movements that appeared difficult to explain immediately. Some reports mentioned the objects changing direction very fastly. Others described the bright lightness appearing for short moments before disappearing again. Because of the incident like this, the term UAP became more common. UAP simply means unidentified anomalous phenomena. In simple words, it refers to someone seen in the sky that investigators could not clearly identify at the time. As expected, the internet quickly exploded with theories. Some people believe the sightings could involve advanced technology. Others think the natural atmospheric effects may explain certain cases. And of course, many online users immediately connected the mystery to aliens. However, the officials have not confirmed any alien related evidence. Most experts say many sightings could eventually have normal explanation once enough information is analyzed, but at the same time, a number of cases still remain unexplained publicly. And the mystery is exactly why global interest continues growing. The today UFO discussions are now no longer limited to movies and conspiracy forums. Major news outlets, researchers, and online community now discuss these reports more seriously than ever before. Videos, documents, and the witness accounts continue spreading across the internet, keeping the debate alive. However, one thing is certain, the newly released files have once again pushed the UFO topics back into the worldwide discussion. And until more answers appears, people around the world will keep asking the same question: what are we really seeing in the sky? Let us know your thoughts in the comment sections.